Well, this breaking input we are tracking in from the national capital region, where a massive fire broke out at the Ghazipur landfill site in Delhi yesterday evening. Now, efforts are underway to douse the fire. As per the officials, the fire was caused due to the gas produced in the landfill. No casualty has been reported so far. Meanwhile, politics has already erupted over the entire matter. BJP's Kapil Mishra has attacked the Aam Aadmi Party government, saying that the Arvind Kejriwal fought the MCD elections by showing the photo of this particular Ghazipur landfill. But this smoke is as poisonous as Kejriwal's lies and is endless. Now let's take a look at some of the reactions that we are already getting in on this story.
करीब हमें शाम को 6 बजे हमें कॉल मिली है कि गाजीपुर खत्ते में आग है और जो है यहाँ पर जो है 10-12 गाड़ी लगी हुई हैं, 10 के करीब हैं। 4 गाड़ी ऊपर लगी हुई हैं और जो बड़े बड़े बाउज़र हैं वे नीचे खड़े हुए हैं, वे चढ़ नहीं सकते और आग बुझा रहे हैं। हाँ, यहाँ पर वाटर बाउज़र हैं, टंकियाँ हैं। वाटर बाउज़र तो नीचे ही खड़े हैं क्योंकि ये चढ़ने में असमर्थ हैं और जो है ऊपर जो है 4 गाड़ी लगी हुई हैं, कुछ खाली होकर के आ रही हैं, कुछ भर के जा रही हैं।
जेसीबी से भी मदद ली जा रही है?
हाँ, जेसीबी से काफ़ी मदद मिल रही है क्योंकि ढेर जो काफ़ी ऊंचा है, हीट भी ज़्यादा है, वहाँ पर जो है आग बुझाने में थोड़ी हीट के कारण भी दिक्कत आ रही है।
Well, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Akash Sharma. Very good morning, Akash. Take us through all the details. What is the exact situation on the ground at the moment?
Right. So, Kuhina, first of all, this fire broke out at Ghazipur landfill site yesterday, and at around 5:22, Delhi Fire Services got this call, and immediately fire tenders were sent to the site. But till last evening, the fire was not doused. Also, as far as politics is concerned, so Bharatiya Janata Party is blaming Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party is ruling MCD as of now. It was promised that Ghazipur landfill site will be cleared by December 2023. However, the promise was not fulfilled, and this is also a reason why BJP is blaming CM Arvind Kejriwal, and not just CM Arvind Kejriwal, but also the mayor and the position holders in Municipal Corporation of Delhi. Now, the issue is that in Delhi we have these landfill sites. In fact, this landfill site is just 8 meters short of the Qutub Minar, so one can understand the height of this landfill site, which is an environmental hazard. Till last evening, the fire was still on, and as of now, in the morning, when we had a word with several officials, so they are saying that efforts are still on. But given the fact that this is an area where we have population, where we have people living in, so you can understand the kind of situation that people are facing at this point in time. But yes, the priority is to douse the fire. One. Secondly, the political war of words is, something that people have been witnessing from quite some time now in concern with the kind of situation that Delhi faces due to these landfill sites. But yes, the main priority and the main focus, in fact, people are waiting this fire should be doused as soon as possible.
Right, Akash, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll keep coming back to this story as the day progresses and we get more details on this. But right now,